No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to class. I am Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Thank you so much for coming here today. I am situated on the island of Montreal in the province of Quebec in the country of Canada. It is a beautiful sunny day and I'm going to be taking my dog Bella to the lake with my husband. So I'm going to be responding to different questions and comments that you guys have. So come along for the ride.
Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be love, be vegan.
Reading your comments today, and here's what you say. You're wondering what you should put in your cereal if you can't put cow's milk. Well, you go to the grocery store and you see there's other types of milk there. There's oat milk, and there's almond milk, and there's soy milk, and you might even find macadamia milk or hazelnut milk or cashew milk. So the idea is you choose anything except the cow's milk and not the goat's milk either, because you don't want to hurt animals. Animals are innocent and they're here on this earth with us. They're not for us, and our job is simply to observe them. Just like I stopped to observe this cat on my walk. I'm not going to hurt her. Why would I do that? So thanks for being here. Thanks for following this channel.
La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna.
By the way, if you like this kind of video or you want to learn more about veganism and how it is healthy for you and great for the environment and of course great for the animals, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There's a button down there. You can just look and you see it, and beside it is a notification bell. That way, every time a new video is posted, you can be one of the first to get it.
In the grocery store, you can decide not to buy cow's milk anymore. In the grocery store, you can sing this song, and you can decide to be vegan from now on. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Hello. Okay, I'm noticing you. There you are. I can see you. But actually I can't. So you can see me, but I can't see you. I have no idea who you are. You can see everything that's wrong with me, and you can see things that you think are right with me. But you know, we only see what we really want to see. And the fact that you think you love me is nice, but what I really want you to do is to not think about me, but to think about the animals. You know, if you think that you love me, that's great. Then I hope that you imitate me and talk about the animals. That is a way to show me that you love me, to become vegan and to make videos on your channel, explain what's going on, basically become a vegan teacher. Can you do it? Huh?
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You are actually asking a question. What is a recommendation for a healthy breakfast? Well, first of all, in case you don't know, this is Bella. She's my dog, and we're just out here throwing the branch to her on this beautiful day. She's having a look at the ducks in the distance, and she's not going over there to try to eat them. So she's just minding her own business, waiting for us to throw the stick again, sniffing around. So to answer your question though, a good vegan breakfast starts with the ingredient of love. You have to think about being compassionate to the animals, so you don't buy anything that involves any eggs or bacon or anything like that. That's my husband, throwing the stick to Bella. So what we do every morning is we eat chia seeds and flax seeds. We grind them up and we add all kinds of fruit to them and a plant-based milk. That's it.
Chia seeds have omega-3. Come on, sing this song with me. Chia seeds have omega-3. Grind them up and sing yippee. As you see them in your pancakes, your oatmeal, and in your daily smoothie. Flax seeds have omega-3. Come on, sing this song with me. Flax seeds have omega-3. Grind them up and sing yippee. As you see them in your pancakes, your oatmeal, and in your daily smoothie.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You say that you think that I am wearing a cow. Where do you get that idea? Vegans don't buy leather, and we don't buy wool, we don't buy feathers. You know, we just try not to hurt any animals in any way at all. So right now I'm wearing this shirt which is made out of cotton and polyester. Vegans can also wear nylon and acrylic. And my shoes are made out of, I don't know, some kind of plastic. The jeans are made out of cotton. And this belt is made out of cotton as well. See, it's a cotton material. And sometimes you do see me wearing something that might look like leather, like a leather belt, but it's actually made out of car tires. So it's pretty durable. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't that cheap, but it's gonna last me forever. I have a brown one and I have a black one.
Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on.
I'm reading comments today, and here's what you say. Unfortunately, you think that everyone has a right to hurt animals if they want to. And that's true. You know, when we're not looking, you can go ahead and kick your dog. You can, be mean to your cat. You can pay people to kill pigs. You can pay people to slit the throats of baby cows because you want to steal their milk. Yeah. You can also choose to discriminate against the LGBTQ. You can choose to discriminate against people of color. You can do all that. Yes, you can. But should you? If you know that hurting others is wrong, why would you do it even one time? Just stop it.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You say that you don't think that everyone is vegan. And I would like to challenge that. You see, what I think is that everyone is born vegan because everyone is born not wanting to hurt animals. And that's what veganism is all about. It's about the animals and not exploiting them, not eating them, wearing them, or using them for entertainment. So you're born vegan because you never wanted to hurt animals when you were first born and you just came out of your mom. I think I said the word born too many times. Anyway, yeah, and your mother's milk, that's meant for you, so that's vegan. It's not stolen. And when you saw animals when you were little, you just wanted to pet them. You probably had a bunch of, oh my God, she just got sprayed. You probably just, why are people spraying the sidewalk? Like, water the plants, don't water the sidewalk. Anyway, you were born vegan.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself. Go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart.
Thank you so much to everybody who came along on my little walk around my neighborhood with me. I really appreciate you all being here. If you don't want to miss these kind of videos, just press the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time. And I often have premieres, which means that when the video goes up, you can type your comments, and there are moderators there and teaching assistants who will help to guide you if you're not sure about certain things. Thanks again for being here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every